This is a one-pot mac and cheese.
Yum.
And the best thing about this is that it all happens in the one pot. So we started off with macaroni in some milk. No butter, no roux, no nothing.
Just throw it in there.
Just throw it in there, cook it in the milk.
Right?
And that starch is going to come out and give you a lovely creamy finish. So what we've done there...
So easy, too.
So easy. And it cooks out and you get just a kind of al dente macaroni. And this is at this stage now.
Right.
So we're going to pump up the flavour. We're going to add a bit of butter. We're going to add some Dijon mustard. And we're going to season it fairly generously with a little bit of sea salt and black pepper as well over here, which is great. And I do think, you know, because we're not seasoning, or we're not doing the traditional mac and cheese recipe, you want to make sure that it's seasoned up quite nice and heavily on this front. So once it's got to this point and you mix that through, we have a mixture that has the cauliflower as well. So I'm adding a little bit more veggies in here because I think, you know, at this time of the year, we got to get our veggie intake up there. And the great thing about this recipe is it's quite forgiving. You can add a whole host of different veggies. Spinach is lovely in there.
Or, of course, broccoli.
Broccoli.
The green cousin to cauli.
There you go. I love the green cousin to cauli. So, like, that's going to cook out very quickly, and you do need to do this at the time when the milk is in there and everything. So
it cooks out together.
It cooks out together. So at that point, you have a lovely mix that's all good in your one-pot scenario situation going on here. We're going to top this.
And then you add the cheese.
With a little bit of cheese. You know, this is basically...
A little extra.
This is basically your hybrid between mac and cheese and cauliflower cheese. So is that a dish in America?
Yes,
cauliflower
it's
cheese?
Delicious, of course. Yes, cauliflower gratin. I'll take care.
Thank you very much. So this is going to go under the broiler.
I gotcha.
It only needs, what, like 5 minutes?
Because it's fully cooked. You're just browning it.
You're just browning it. The cheese goes under. I love this.
Show them
no bother to her. I love it. Cheese! I love it. I love it.